Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video, I'm going to be making this bike go 40 miles per hour. Let's get straight to it. So this is a Jecham e-bike, or Jecham, I don't know how to actually say it. I'll probably put it on the screen, but there's like 3 different versions of it. You have like, it's called Big New, and BGS, and then Jecham. I think they're like off-brand versions of the same bike, but it's literally the same exact bike. First step was to buy a new controller. So this is an 84 volt 40 amp through 50 amp controller. So that's how much amps is going to be running to my motor. And I picked this controller up for maybe about $60, I think. So, but it was a lot of wiring. Yeah, a lot of wiring, a lot of splicing. Next up was to buy a 52 volt battery. So I bought this 52 volt battery, but when I put it on, the bike wasn't able to go 40 miles per hour. So, but I didn't know that yet. So it came with the charger. It came with this wire that would connect to my controller. And it came with the keys. And then I had to remove my old, I don't even know what to call this, what the battery slides on. So I had to remove that, put the new one back on. So the battery right on. It was really easy. And then I had to cut the controller wires that plug right into my battery from where the battery slides on. So, but yeah, this entire modification took a lot of cutting wires, a lot of soldering, crimping, a lot of stuff like that. But with those wires stripped, I attached them to the negative and positive cable of the controller so that I can power my battery. And then for the next step, I had to splice the main cable from my e-bike. So I had to splice it so that I can find which wires were my throttle wires originally. So yeah, this was a lot of cutting and deep electrical work. Yeah, so those are the 3 throttle wires: green, red, and black. And there you can see right there, this is the wire that runs straight to my motor. It has a 3-phase wires, and then the other 5 wires are my hall sensor wires. So it just knows which direction the motor needs to turn. So yeah, some pretty thick wires. All right, next step, I was able to mount my controller up. I did end up changing how it was mounted in the future, but I can show you guys that later. But yeah, this is how the bike was looking. I still wanted more speed, so I asked ChatGPT, what do I need to do to get this bike to go 40 miles per hour? And I followed exactly what ChatGPT said, as you can see right here in the prompts. So I ordered my new 60 volt battery. They see right there. Came with the same XT60 connector. And then keys to unlock and open the battery. And then the 60 volt battery. It's actually the same size as my 48 volt battery. Right, next step was to just unlock my old battery off my bike. The key, so I can slide it off. This is just the comparison of the size difference of the 60 volt versus 48 volt. I had to remove the old battery slider. And this is just me right now sliding on the brand new 60 volt battery. It was very easy to slide on, so you just slid right on there. Took the key out, and now the battery's locked onto the frame. And then I got the connectors and just plugged them right. And I made sure that the battery was off too, so there's no static or anything like that. But yes, the battery is plugged in. And then later on, I did zip tie it so the wires aren't hanging out. Alright. Test run. Let's see if this thing can hit 45 miles an hour. ChatGPT really says she can do 45 to 58, so let's see. This bike goes 40 miles per hour. This bike was advertised to only go 28, but I have a 60 volt battery, 20 amp, 60 volt 20 amp battery, 84 volt controller that pushes 40 to 50 amps, and I have a 3,000 watt motor. This bike goes 40 miles per hour. I lost my display screen when I wired everything. Also, these buttons don't work. My horn doesn't work anymore. My headlight, but I have the bar light, so it doesn't matter. I also upgraded my throttle. I have a Surrons throttle, so keep that in mind. But let me show you how torquey this thing is. So I'm gonna just barely touch the throttle, see what happens. Like, this thing just wants to go, bro. Oh, I also have new suspensions. I did not have normal stock suspension either. Well, besides the front forks, but this is different. I got this from Amazon, so yeah. But yeah, let me see if I can show you guys again. Like, I could probably do a burnout with this thing, if anything. But yeah, this thing is fast. What is he on? Nice. What the heck?
What bike is that?
It's called Jecham, but I had modified it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What battery is it?
It's a 60 volt battery. It goes from 40 miles an hour.
Damn, that's sick.
Yeah, the Surrons or not Surrons?
Yeah, they're Ultra Beats.
Ultra B's, right? Dang. It came purple.
Well, that's nice.
Yeah.
It's got a nice paint color.
Well, these are nice, right? For real.
Yeah, we got bought it a little bit.
Dang, yeah. I had changed the controller and the battery, because originally it only went 28. Now it goes 40, so.
That's sick.
So it's the first ride I've rode it. Wait, you guys are just riding through, or can I keep up? Let's see, bro. First ride of this thing. Let's see how I keep up.
You know how to wheelie yet? Or?
Kinda. I got the rear pegs. I can like kinda wheelie. Like, I can mainly power wheelie it, but a little bit.
Good. Yeah.
Just be
Yeah.
careful for the brakes. You probably need to upgrade the brakes.
Yeah, I do. I do need to upgrade. Yeah. Oh shit. Jeez. Bro, what the heck? I'm trying my hardest to keep up with these guys, bro. I'm not gonna try it, bro. I'm not trying it. no way it's gonna do on the street. Oh. What the heck? I can't wheelie at all, bro. Yeah, it just takes time. It's a better brakes. Let me see. Hold on. Yeah, let me see. Hold on. Shoot. Nah, bro. Yo, this is at 1 inch. He's going like 42. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Yeah, alright, bro. Nice meeting you, man. Alright, you too, bro. It's the first time I've ever seen people actually do wheelies on e-bikes too, bro. Like, I don't ever see anyone do any of that stuff. Bro. That was crazy. My bike looks so small compared to theirs, bro. Anyway, YouTube, that's gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys stay tuned for the next one.